Hello students, in this video I'll continue chapter number 5. Already we had discussed the coal, story of coal, how coal was formed and about petroleum. So today I'll start with the natural gas. Natural gas is very important fossil fuel because it is easy to transport through pipelines. And natural gas is stored under a high pressure as compressed natural gas. Commonly we are using this word as CNG. CNG is used for power generations also. It is now being used as a fuel for transport vehicles because it is less polluting. Children, you have seen that many of the vehicles, autos, even the light vehicles which run on CNG. So major reason for it is that it creates less pollution. That's why it is known as a cleaner fuel. One more great advantage of CNG is that it is directly used for burning in homes and factories where it can supply through the pipelines. So such a network of pipelines exist in Vadodara and some parts of Delhi and other places. So that's why natural gas is very important fossil fuel, and CNG is known as a cleaner fuel. And a great advantage is that it is directly used, we can directly use it for burning in homes and factories because it is supplied through the pipelines. Next is natural gas is used as a starting material for the manufacturing of number of chemicals and fertilizers. India has various reserves of natural gas. So let's see where in our country natural gas reserves are there. It is in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and in the Krishna Godavari Delta. So these are the places where are the vast reserves of natural gases are found. But one thing is there, we were discussing about the natural resources and natural gases, but the major problem is there that natural resources are very limited. So in the beginning of the chapter, we had read about the natural resources. The type of natural resources we had discussed, that exhaustible and inexhaustible resources. So exhaustible like fossil fuel, forest, minerals, etc. And we know that coal and petroleum are the fossil fuels. It requires millions of the years for its formation. We can't form it in the laboratory. On the other hand, the known reserves of these will last almost about a few hundreds of the years. So there is a major problem that these natural resources are in a limited amount. So what precautions we should take, what we should do, that are if natural resources are in limited amount, we should use it judiciously and consciously. So let's see which natural resources are in limited amount. So it is very important that fossil fuels or these fuels, natural resources should be used when absolutely necessary. This will result in better environment, smaller risk of global warming, and their availability for a longer period of time. So if we were using it judiciously, and we are using it only when it is very necessary for us, only then we can save our environment, and they can be last for a longer period of time. In India, PCRA. PCRA stands for Petroleum Conservation Research Association. So PCRA has advised people how to save petrol and diesel. So few tips are given by PCRA. Let's see what are that tips which are given by PCRA to save petroleum and diesel while driving. So here are few of the tips with us. First is, whenever we are driving, so better to drive at a constant and moderate speed. Moderate means not too low and not too high speed, as far as possible. Second is, switch off the engine at traffic lights or at a place where you have to wait. So many of the places you have seen that traffic lights is of 1 minute or of 2 minutes, to better to switch off the engine at the traffic lights. Next is, ensure correct tire pressure. So you have to take care of this point also. And regular maintenance of the vehicle is required, because if vehicle is not in good condition, so it will consume more petrol or diesel. So these are the few of the tips given by the PCRA. I think many of us are following, and if not, please spread awareness regarding this. Tell to your parents, your neighbors, and spread the awareness regarding these tips given by PCRA. So with this, children, your chapter coal and petroleum is over. So do all the assignments given to you regarding this chapter. Thank you.